welcome to my YouTube channel Amartya's World. If you like my video, then click on like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on notification bell icon. So without wasting time, let's start our newest video. Aliens in Venus. Earlier we thought that Venus doesn't show possibility of life, but recent researchers prove this wrong because in the clouds of sulfuric acid in Venus, we have found evidences of life and in Venus. But how? Join with me till the end to know. Since ages, we humans have been searching life, but today we have found evidence of alien life. You heard it right, alien life. Scientists have discovered an evidence which should baffle our mind, which should change all our understanding about the alien life, about the Venus even of our solar system. So let us look at what the scientists had found and why this evidence is so special. So in September 14, 2020, England's Cardiff University Professor Jane Graves and a team of astronomers have found life conditions on Venus. But what did they find there? And why did researchers confirm this evidence to be of life? Let's see. But before knowing this, let us first know that why scientists earlier believed that Venus does not have capability to make life or for the life to live there. So let us look at the possible reasons. Venus, as we know that, is the hottest planet with surface temperature ranging from 464 degrees Celsius. This temperature is similar to that of lava on the Earth. The atmosphere of Venus has 96.95% carbon dioxide, and the clouds of Venus have high reflective cloud system of sulfuric gas, and this gas is very acidic. And even new researchers also suggest that because of these clouds, instead of water, rain would fall on the Venus in the form of the acid rain that happens on Earth because of high acidity in the atmosphere. Scientists now confirm that Venus once had seas of water like Mars, but because of its highest temperature, the water have turned into vapor and evaporated away from the very past, and the free hydrogen in the atmosphere are taken by solar winds. Because this planet don't have its own magnetic field, which would protect the planet from the extrasolar activities, which Venus doesn't have. At England Cardiff University, Professor Jane Graves and a team of researchers who, with the help of Hawaii's Mauna Kea James Clerk Maxwell Telescope, found the compounds of phosphine gas in Venus' atmosphere. The team does not purposely look for the Venus or alien life there. They just wanted to test the power vision of the James Clerk Maxwell Telescope, and therefore they look at the Venus, and this is what they found: the toughest evidence of life on other planet. Phosphine also means pH3 is the gas that are produced by organisms who live in anaerobic environment or by humans in laboratories. So, what is mean by anaerobic condition? Let me clear you. Anaerobic condition means condition in which lives won't be able to would be able to live without the need of oxygen. Now let us see how phosphine gas suggests the Venus of life and how Venus would have phosphine gas in it. America, Massachusetts University of Technology, Professor Dr. William Banks. Deep research and study on phosphine gas suggests that this gas is impossible to be formed without the help of microorganisms. He conducted a deep research on these organisms, or how does the phosphine gas produced from it on the earth. On earth, some bacteria absorb the phosphine minerals that may be found in the atmosphere or in the rock salts and then add free hydrogen in the atmosphere to release phosphine gas. When we humans take oxygen and release carbon dioxide, then during this process energy are formed in our body. But in this bacteria, the energy is formed not but are released. But why this bacteria produce phosphine gas is still a mystery, and no one is able to solve it. But some researchers believe that these gases are released by means of waste products or protection by this bacteria. Phosphine gas has its most important chemical properties. Let us look at it. Phosphine gas is also known as hydrogen phosphide or PH3. It is a colorless gas and is easily flammable. Its odor is similar to a 10 days old stinky fish. Even inhalation of this small quantity of phosphine could be fatal for our health. It could only be produced by humans artificially or by microbes. University of Cambridge scientist Dr. Paul Reimer in his calculation have said that the proportion of phosphine in Venus is 10% to that of means on Earth we have a large proportion of phosphine gas. Could this say that Venus have aliens who produce this in the laboratory or the microorganisms? The evidence of phosphine in Venus proves that the atmosphere of Venus might have organisms, and it is also found that these microbes may be living in the clouds of sulfuric acids of Venus. This is the place where most scientists look that any type of life form won't be able to live, but now today I find these microbes which are able to live on the sulfuric clouds of the Venus. It looks like that these bacteria have re-engineered their DNA to live in the Venus. More evidence we might get by looking at new researches. India 2017, ISRO was scheduled and announced to launch its Venus Exploration Mission or Sukrayan-1. The main aim of this mission is to study sulfuric acids in Venus. However, this project is going to be launched in 2023. So it may be that this mission of India could find microbial life in Venus in the near future, and then we would be going to say that, oh yes, we have found alien life on the distant planet. We don't have to now look to the Mars, to the other planet, or other exoplanet. We have found to our very near close planet, our Venus, and this bacteria or the microbes are living in the sulfuric acids, and in this acid it's not a child's play. Japanese Space Agency or JAXA in the observation of the Venus have said that Venus have some type of mysterious dark strips. But why are these dark strips formed? What are these dark strips? And what purpose does this serve? And how could it have been found? This remains a mystery for scientists for many years. But now, recent research shows that Venus' mysterious dark strips are able to absorb UV radiations, or what we say as the ultraviolet radiations from the sun. Now, it is said that these dark strips are nothing but colonies of Venus microbes or Vesuvans microbes that live in clouds of sulfuric acids. So could we say that the microbes which are living on the planet of Venus or those dark strips are the most toughest evidence which is undeniable that aliens microbes may have been living on the hottest planet of our solar system? If yes, then how? These microbes don't have to face the extreme surface temperature of Venus because the temperature of the protective layer is 30 degrees Celsius. We humans had been searching for the life of aliens in so many distant planets, but who might have thought that the most toughest evidence of alien life is very close to us, to our twin sister Venus. But if we find microorganisms in Venus, then it also means that our Earth wouldn't be a unique planet. We have searched for alien life in so many years. So let us look at the video of the Carl Sagan in 1963 in which he talked about the Venus. So let us look.
A single significant experiment can confirm old or create new theories.
Many theories of the Venus environment have been suggested. However, new information eliminates at least some of these theories. Measurements with radio telescopes show that there is a region on Venus where temperatures are greater than 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It is just possible that the hot region exists at a high altitude in the ionosphere of Venus. The surface temperature could then be almost Earth-like, and life as we know it could exist there. However, it is more likely that if there is life on Venus, it is probably of a type that we cannot now imagine.